If the power went out in your city right now and didn't come back for weeks, would your family be ready? Mine wasn't, until I tried out a system that's got people rethinking that. I've pinned the link to Fatal Blackout in the description because the discount I'm about to show you won't last long. Most of us think of a blackout as a few hours, but grid failures and extreme weather can knock out power for a lot longer, and most people don't have a plan for that. That's why I checked out Fatal Blackout, a guide that walks you through backup power options, how to protect your electronics, and how to make your home safer fast without spending a fortune on gear. It also includes a home security guide, a natural remedies manual for when the pharmacy isn't an option, and a backyard garden guide for total beginners. One user, Robert, says that within a few months he had most of it set up, and during a recent outage on his street, his house was one of the only ones still running normally. It also comes with a 365-day guarantee, so you've got plenty of time to decide if it's right for you. If you're worried this sounds expensive or complicated, most of the materials are affordable and you can take the first steps within 24 hours, no experience needed. With the current discount, it's a lot cheaper than figuring it all out on your own. If you want more peace of mind in case something like this happens, the link's in the description with the discount active for a limited time. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. Check the link below.